Good afternoon. Introduce my name is Tika Agustina. I am from the University Mercu Buana, Faculty of Business Economics. Here I will present my business plan and my friend. The business we are planning is a simple food stall that we name Snap Chicken and Duck. I'll just start the presentation. Before, I was grateful to Mr. Mangasi, Leo Francisco Manurung, S.A., M.Pd, as a lecturer in the English business course, and here are my friend times. The first is Arofi Muiz, Destu Bio Akbar Aji Jasunda, myself, Tika Agustina, and Sandi Putra Pratama, and Ilham Kamil Pratama. For reward, gratitude is said for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, for the abundance of mercy and grace, so that this TB1 may be complete. This assessment shall be submitted in order to fulfill one of the big assessment one for the business plan. The business English course. This big project contains business warung makan ayam and bebek goreng sambal jepret. We also take this opportunity to thank all those who have helped in complete this big project one. The author realizes that there are still many shortcomings in the writing of this material, because that criticisms and suggestions will be very valuable for the author in providing the writing of the paper. May Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala always bless our every form. Amin. Table of contents capture business offer. A. Foreigns. B. Business overview. Capture to company structure. A. Organizational structure. B. Divisional of tasks. Capture 3 marketing and strategy. A. Marketing opportunity. B. Competition analysis. C. Target market and STP policy. D. Marketing strategy. E. 4P policy. Capture 4 operational. A. Tools and material. B. Manufacturing process. And capture 5 finance. A. Variable cost and fixed cost. B. Calculation of cost of products. C. Internal capital. And D. Calculation of selling price. A. Calculation of the income. V. Calculation of BEP or break-even point. Capture 5 consolation and suggestion. A. Consolation and B. Suggestion. Next, capture 1 is business overview. This background. The food business is a business that continues to survive and continues to grow with the increasing culinary needs of the community. There are several things that make this business continue to grow. First, the population of Indonesians from year to year, which also increases the need the need for food for the Indonesian people. The creation need for food break lucrative business opportunities. One of them is the food business. Second, food is a community need, but both as a culinary or snacks and basic necessities. The food business has its own market share, namely young people such as the niggers, students, and the culinary enthusiast community. One of the most popular food business is chicken and duck, especially for those who like chili sauce. The number of chicken and duck snap went from the lower class to the upper class makes this business a promising business to provide profit and does not easily decline because this business is not a seasonal business. The snap chicken and duck food business will be development with a chili sauce that on the top. This business provide product that provide tasty and satisfaction for consumers, especially in terms of tasty, quality, and size with warranted hygiene, and provide satisfying service of affordable price so that customer and because loyal customer of this snap chicken and duck. We believe this chicken and duck snap can improve the economy in the community and can develop a long-term sustainable business in the future oriented toward healthy and nutritious food. And B. Business overview. This a product overview. The snap chicken and duck product is a nutritious, healthy instant food that has the potential to survive and continue to grow along with the increasing culinary needs of the community. The production of this snap chicken duck product come from the desire to serve snacks that are cheap, healthy, and delicious among the public. This business was cautioned because of the high number of culinary and enthusiasts, especially snap chicken and duck. The project profit is quite large and the rare opportunity for success because this business is not a seasonal business and can continue to grow through various creation and innovation. B. Vision. Vision to make the chicken and duck business known to my people to become a bridge between the tasty and the desires of the community for chicken and duck with have a distinctive tasty at economical price and are easily accessible and well as participate in advancing the community economy with an entrepreneur spirit. C. Mission. The mission are a follow a products different tasty and characteristic from other snap chicken and duck. Maintain and improve the quality of snap chicken and duck. C. Cooperate with trusted chicken and duck breeds. D. Making new innovation in both product and service. A. Maintains consistency of tasty. V. Selling menu at affordable price so that anyone can enjoy it. G. Helping to provide nutrition and the level of consumption of chicken and duck meat in middle to low income communities. E. Opening brands in strategic place. I. Oriented in customer and environmental satisfaction. D. Aim. A. Opening up employment opportunity of the community by providing job as needed in the business. B. Provide snap chicken and duck dishes with distinctive and delicious flavors at very affordable price, as well as providing clean and quality service to provide satisfaction to customer in the snap chicken and duck food stall. C. Making the snap chicken and duck food stall business continue to grow by opening brands in the other areas. D. Receiving business benefit. E. Creative and interest to the wider community about healthy and nutrition food product. V. Take part in increasing economic growth in society. A. SWOT analysis. A. Strategies. The job in the default human resources and adequate my people like snap chicken and duck. The tasty is spicy, unique, delicious, and tempting. Halal raw material are easy to get, affordable price according to the brand of Indonesian society. Provide quality product. The size of the chicken and duck is quite large per serving, and the upper trends of the chicken and duck which interests the appetite. B. Weakness. Do not have enough fund or small capital. There are quite a lot of competition in doing business, and there are many other sellers and lacks of business experience. C. Opportunity. Many customers come to buy, get a satisfied profit, set up this business because many people like snap chicken and duck, and the level of demand for snap chicken and duck is high. D. Threat. Lack of fund, competition with other traders, the emergence of other products that are more development, standardization of quality, change in people, taste and price of raw material, and seasoning that are quite volatile. Thank you. Next.
Hello, my name is Arif Muiz. I'm from A305 English class, and I'm gonna talk about Chapter 3. Chapter 3. marketing and strategy. And the first one, we're gonna talk about market opportunity. Until now, market opportunities are still wide open. Even food matters, consumers usually do not place great importance on price. If it feels like reciprocity or taste with easy to use raw materials and relatively affordable prices, the chances of success of our snap chicken and duck are quite promising because they are well known to the public without neglecting their nutritional content and distinctive taste. B. Competitors analysis. The price used by competitors is high, and not all groups or only certain groups can still enjoy it. Cooking oil that has been used many times, the service is not excellent, and its hygiene isn't guaranteed by the supporting tools. Use C. Target market and STB policy. First, segmenting. Among teenagers, students, and parents from 14 to 40 years of age who are taking walks during the day or who rarely could cook at night. Second, targeting youth, students, local communities, and the general public, the sexes of women and men, all walks of life, who have different snacks or culinary tours and, of course, spicy food. And the third, positioning. Chicken and duck snacks are healthy and nutritious because they have many health benefits and are affordable with a distinct taste. D. Marketing strategy. First, product development. We will develop products by making quality standards that are guaranteed by hygiene. Second, marketing area development. In marketing, we will try to offer products to national and Asian companies in order to develop our distinctive products and to open joint ventures to investors who want to invest in our products, and finally, to open branches in the public sector. And the third, promotional activity. We plan to create our own product website so that people from all over the world can access our products. And we also strive to provide delivery order services to customers in the future. And E, 4P policy. Products the need for delicious food and strong characteristics that are needed by all teenagers, parents, and workers who are busy with work so that they want fast and practical food. Has packaging using styrofoam for those that are wrapped and plates for those who eat on the spot. Second, price. Prices of all materials are relatively cheap and easy to find. Promotion capital is relatively small. In order to get a big profit and multiply, it has a price of 2,400 each portion for snap chicken and 2,600 each portion for snap duck in cooked form. And the third, place. A place that is easily accessible by the vehicle or on foot, which is strategic convenience in terms of where to eat and the level of cleanliness, and friendliness of the waiters are plus points for consumer sentiments. The location is located on Jalan Kebayoran Lama, South Jakarta. Fourth, promotion. Friend lines and comfort of the place can be communication between consumers and other consumers so that the first consumer can invite other consumers to come. Promotion through social media, be it Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and fanpage. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Bio Akbar Aditya Sunda. I am from Group 1, Management Major. I will explain Chapter 2. Chapter 2, Company Structure. Organizational structure, business the Snap Chicken and Duck Bread requires 3 employees, with a description of 2 people in the production section and 1 person in the marketing department. Meanwhile, the administration and finance are managed by the owner. The following is the organizational structure of the Snap Chicken and Duck business. Business owner. A. Administration and finance section. B. Production section. C. Marketing and sales department. B. Division of duties. A. Business owner. Provider of business capital, coordinate the running of the business, and also serves as part of administration and finance. B. Administration and finance section record cash inflow and cash outflow from the business and create business financial reports. C. Production section carry out the production process in business and maintain the quality of the product produced. D. Marketing and sales division marketing product that have been produced and selling product that have been produced. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Andi Putra Pratama. I'm here to explain about Chapter 4, Operational. Okay, let's go. A. The tools and material. First, the tools needed to make penyet chicken are stove, pan, spatula, tray, knife, mortar, plate, glass, teapot, basins, styrofoams, black plastic, prepatan plastic, iris, gas cylinders, the gas hose, tables, chair, tissue holders, thermos rice, thermos ice, and last, presto. And 2 materials needed to make penyet chicken are first 1 kilogram fresh and good chicken cut into pieces. Second, 1 kilogram good fresh duck cut into pieces. And 3, 2 kilograms of fresh catfish. Next, the finished seasoning. Galangal, lime leaves, 1 kilogram pack of salsa or micin, half a packet of salt. 3. Chili needed to make penyet chicken are first 5 kilogram of devil chilies. And next, sesame oil, salt, sugar, garlic, and the last salsa or micin. And B. Manufacturing process. First, the chicken and the duck are cleaned and cut into piece. And second, put the chicken and duck into presto with the finished spice, galangal, salt, salsa, and lime leaves. Then add in a quarter. Third, then cook until the wine on the presto comes out and makes a sound on the presto. Then turn off the stove. 4. To coat the catfish with the finished spice and add salt with salsa or micin, then fry. And 5. For the chili sauce, prepare the garlic mortar, salt, sugar, salsa or micin, and sesame oil, then pour the hot oil. 6. After all the chili sauce ready, then grind it using a mortar. And the last 7, when finished, serve the chicken and the duck that have been smeared with the snap sauce. Woo, snap sauce. Okay, maybe that's all about operational. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Ilham Kamil Pratama. I'm from Faculty of Economic and Business majoring in Management. Here I want to continue the presentation from my friends is about the conclusion of our proposal. The conclusion is, from the discussion that has been described above, it can be concluded that the business of chicken and duck sambal jepret restaurant can open a quite large business opportunity by strengthening the concept and marketing that will be carried out so of the business is more advanced and bigger. One of the most popular food business is a chicken and duck sambal jepret restaurant, especially for those who like chili sauce. The number of fans of sambal jepret fried chicken and ducks covering the lower class to the upper class makes this business a promising business to provide profit. Business to profit easily decline. Because that business is a not seasonal business, chicken and duck fried sambal jepret has a distinctive taste at the economical price and easy to reach. The suggestion of our proposal in doing business, it is required is to be serious and focused. It is not possible to start a business halfway through, even business is a side business. Failure to do business is actually not caused by other people but comes from corporates. Thus, persistence in running a business is a much careful calculation. Should be done at the beginning of starting a business because once we got it wrong in initial calculation, what happens is a chain effect where we'll continue to experience errors. Namely, the capital continues to decrease. It is only natural that we want to start a learning business with those who are more successful so that we can sort out and avoid great risks. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.